What's up, my YouTube friends? I just got this model in today. It's the Airbus 380. It's Malaysia Airlines. I don't know why it says Korean there. Did they have a partnership or something? Maybe they just shared the box. Oh, I like the on the back. It shows you the different models and the dimensions. You can freeze it if you want to read that. 72 meters long, 79 wingspan, and 24 meters height. Of course, it's got 4 engines. All right, let's get into it. Of course, it's nicely packaged. This plane, I got it for a good price, maybe like $45 or something. Something really cheap. I thought it was cheap anyway. But it's in the primer colors. It's in the primer colors of the, you know, right off the factory. Oh, hold on a second. All right, I'm back. Nicely packaged. Man, I think it's got some weight to it. Man, it feels like it weighs about, I want to say a pound, but I don't know. Probably not a pound. I just feel it's really got some weight to it. It's like a nice paperweight. Really nice looking plane. And I love the nose. I love the nose cone. The windshield wipers are deep. You can see the detail of the windshield wipers. The only thing I'm not too sure about is here, where the wing goes into the fuselage. It looks like it's messed up, but I could be, maybe that's the way it's supposed to look. I don't know. I'm not an A380 expert. Well, I'm not an expert on any airframe, actually. I just think it looks super stupid. When you look at it like this, it looks fine. Maybe it's a little bit of gap. I don't know. I'm gonna look at some other videos and see if I see it. I mean, look how nice that looks. So the windows, a double decker, of course. Oh, wow. I drew up a football field in the 1 to 400 scale. American football, actually. Look how wide it is. I did some math and it's 1.7 times wider than a football field. But if you put it on the back, it's about 80 yards, 240 feet. That's exactly what it is. Actually, it's 239 feet, I believe. If you do the math, it's 239 feet long. So, you know, if I can get it at that right there. Yeah, I mean, this, I didn't do it with precision, but I did it pretty close. But I mean, look at the gap here. The gap here is too big, obviously. It's not all equal. They're not all equidistant. That's a nice looking plane, though. I mean, I need the little spinner. It's got some the Wi-Fi dome or whatever it is here. It got some antennas. Really nice. See the APU exhaust looks good. Oh Lord, what's going on here? The wings are huge. I looked it up. It's over 9,000 square feet. I don't know what that is in meters, but 9,000 square feet. The wing area. The area of the wing is over 9,000 feet. That's like 6 houses. 6, you know, normal, small American homes, 1,500 square foot homes. Maybe the average, I don't know. Maybe middle class average. 1,700 square feet. You know, some people got 2,000 square foot homes, but those are bigger homes, you know, in my area anyway. 2,000 square feet is a nice size home. And you just think you could fit 4.5 2,000 square foot homes on the wings, on the wing area. All right, let's see what this plane weighs. No battery, uh-oh. Ay. Just give me one more. How can I have low battery? I only want to use it a couple of times. All right, well, I did a quick battery swap of my remote control for my TV remote control, and now I got power. It says hello. All right, zeroed out. Let's see. Wow. 366 grams. 366.8 grams. That's what, 3/4 of a pound? I think 445 grams is a pound, so this is this pen weigh. Pen weighs almost 18 grams. Oh, it says 2 battery. much do 2 batteries weigh? 2 batteries weigh 10.4 grams. Those are those AAA batteries anyway. Alright, so yeah, it's a really nice model. Yeah, really. Let's check it out here. I have some other. My other 380. How does it look side by side? Let's see. Yeah, this 380 doesn't have that big old gap in the where the wing meets the. I think it's actually broken. I don't know. I might see if I can get a refund on this, or at least a discount. And if I'm 70% happy with it, maybe I'll get a 70%. Maybe I can pay 70% of the price. All right, I just wanted to put these in for some comparison. This is a 320. I mean, look at this. You put the 320 on the wing. Yeah. And here's the Embraer ERJ 170. That one only seats 66 people. I looked it up. Ooh. Try not to break this plane. It's nice. I really like it. I wanted to show you this. Look at this. This is the big plane here, actually. This is the Airbus 350-900. I mean, it looks like a. I mean, 380 looks like it's his big brother. You know, it's gonna bully him around. This plane is a big plane. This 350 is not nothing. It's not a little regional jet or anything, you know. But look, put them nose to nose so you can see the difference. All right, smash the thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, all that good stuff, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace out.